In the heart of the 17th century, Europe was gripped by a storm of conflict, a tempest that would last for 3 decades, a time known as the 30 Years' War. This devastating war, which raged from 1618 to 1648, would leave an indelible mark on the history of Germany. The spark that ignited this conflagration was the defenestration of Prague, a daring act of rebellion by Protestant nobles against Catholic Habsburg rule. The incident, though seemingly minor, would set in motion a chain of events that would engulf Germany in a war that would claim the lives of up to a third of its population. The war was a complex tapestry of religious, political, and economic struggles. The Catholic League, led by the Habsburgs, faced off against the Protestant Union, a coalition of German princes. The conflict was further complicated by foreign powers, such as Sweden and France, who saw opportunities to extend their influence over the divided German states. The war was marked by unspeakable atrocities. Cities were razed to the ground, villages were plundered, and civilians suffered unimaginable hardships. The Peace of Westphalia, signed in 1648, finally brought an end to the conflict, but at a great cost. The 30 Years' War left Germany a shattered nation. Its people were exhausted, its cities in ruins, and its economy in tatters. Yet, amidst the ashes of destruction, a new Germany emerged. The war had forced the German states to unite, albeit temporarily, to fend off foreign invaders. This unity laid the foundation for a stronger, more unified Germany in the future. The 30 Years' War was a brutal and devastating chapter in Germany's history. It was a time of suffering for its people, but it also marked a turning point in Germany's development. The war, though a tragedy, ultimately helped shape the nation that would emerge in the centuries to come.